Do you remember the worst Dyson DC01 possibly ever? Well, this is what it looks like now. It is certainly cleaner. It should certainly work a lot better, but does it look any better? Well, time is not fantastic to these, and this is a good example of how. Let's have a look. I haven't tested it yet, and we've got a few more things to finish off. So, let's get on with it. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? This is the very same Dyson that we looked at and mostly agreed looking in the comments that it probably was the filthiest DC01 that anybody has ever seen, although nobody doubts that there will be more out there ready to be found. And physically it's not too bad. It has, or had, the usual cracks in the handle, and certainly, in fact, if I take the wand off, it'd have been bashed a little bit because, where are we, all in there, oh, I'm going to try and get the angle right here, it's cracked. You can, oh, up there we go, look, you can see those cracks. There's been a lot of Cubon shoved in there, and it seems to be a fair bit better. The hose came up okay. It's not perfect. It probably could have done with another spin through the washing machine, but equally we are not aiming for complete perfection. Oh, these hoses are awful once you've washed them. It's one of the pains of a DC01. There we go. Yeah, cable came out very nice. That didn't take much cleaning. Nice. Genuine Dyson plugs on it. The cable clip is actually the wrong. It's too big for it. I need to swap it. That is highly annoying. Moving down, well, we lost the sticker on the front. That came off during the washing process. Literally disappeared. So that is the original colour look. And as far as me and most other collectors are aware, not even retro brighting works on this, as I have shown you when I tried to do one of this colour. That's why I'm just not bothering now. It's a big shame, because imagine if the whole machine looked like that. You can see that the stickers are in excellent order. Moving down, well, the bottom part is no longer going rusty. Took a lot of fallout remover. I've never used car fallout remover, and I think it might have done a little bit to get rid of the blotchiness. But you can see that where the rust was, and in fact it's probably still coming through a little bit. I'm sure it wasn't that bad before. And yeah, the comical line of fading is everywhere. But look, oh no, wait, oh, something else I've got to show you. This bumper is starting to biodegrade. As you can tell, it is now more Cubond than rubber. And the whole thing is just littered in little cracks and little perishes. If I could be bothered to spend any money on this at all, I probably would have bought it a new one. But I didn't. Even the wheels are still a bit loose, but I packed them out a little bit with some tape. So, the first order of business, check if it works at all. Very well indeed. Very nice. It is a YDK machine, and I did actually forget to fit the little sound deadening pad that goes, cable, that goes on these machines, but I don't care. So, what we are missing are, terrible, some filters, look. Haven't got any filters fitted to the machine, so I went through my stash and found these at the back of the shed. The packet looking very mouldy, not very good. It's been out there a long time. You can date these. There you go, look, 30th of September 1998. So probably about the same time period, we have two nice, genuine, God, look at that. If anybody's fitted genuine Dyson filters to a scrapper like this for a while, we'll put that there. Put it into place, and then we shall get to the other filter. I'll do is I'll take the bin off so that we can see it can go there. And how fabulous is that? Look, we have ourselves some filters. There's also a brand new genuine Dyson DC01 again, because this was I had lying around, belt fitted to the machine. Now, even though I want to give this away to somebody who may need one, this is just before Christmas at the time of filming this, I thought I would go and get just some tools. I don't have any DC01 tools, especially not ones I want to get rid of, but you know, we've seen these tools fitted to them before. Nobody who doesn't know that they shouldn't be would ever care, especially not for a freebie. So let's just check it works. I can feel that grooming the carpet. I can feel the brush roll pounding. That's not bad. Let's take the flipping hose off, which the tools will never fit now, but that's not a terribly shabby DC01 under all that filth. Oh, I think I might get this back on. That's so horrible putting the DC01 back on. I remember they were new, this is how they turn out. Let's get rid of the orange rug and give it a go on the horrible IKEA rug, purely because this is a very unforgiving rug, especially to older machines like this. So it would be interesting to see if we get anything out of it at all. That's a not too shabby bin's worth of grit, considering I've been vacuuming with the V11 quite a lot recently. That is none too shabby at all. Though in my experience and others, the DC01 is renowned for picking up a surprising amount of grit, really, considering its weebly frame and terribly dated design, although never a terribly large amount of fluff. Apart from that bit there that's just fallen out of the bin. So we still have some clean filters, because we have only been using this for a couple of minutes. It should be alright, but yeah, this is not in sellable condition at all, let's be honest. I would feel bad asking anybody for money for this. I'll be quite frank and honest, I've only done this purely to film this video, to show you all just what could be done. And yeah, if you knew a way to get this unfaded to look like that, you could honestly make this look really, really good. I mean, there's a crack in the floor head that I haven't shown you, but it's not really the worst thing that this machine has. So yeah, bit of Dyson fun. Ultimately, this is going to be given away. I'm going to post up on, probably not even the selling site, on one of our local community groups saying, does anybody need a vacuum to get them out of the poo at Christmas? If so, come and pick this up. Thank you very much. So it is with that I say thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. If you transformed anything as disgusting as this, I imagine that if we peel back the layers, this probably wasn't that dirty after all. Considering some that we have seen, I suppose I've also done the Hoover Junior 119 from the Haywood Church, which was probably getting on as bad. Certainly needed a repaint, but you can't repaint a Dyson, not without it looking really, really bad. So, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I, but not this Dyson, will see you soon. Bye bye.